Meet the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat, the next evolution of smart thermostats from Emerson. The Sensi Touch 2 features a modern design and enhanced user interface, all with the energy-saving features and 100 years of HVAC experience homeowners have come to expect from Sensi. Plus, it's the first Sensi Smart Thermostat compatible with our new room sensors, designed to monitor temperature and humidity levels in your home and help manage hot and cold spots for greater comfort and control. In the box, you'll find the thermostat base, screws and anchors, wire label stickers, your installation guide, and your welcome guide. Before you get started, you'll need an Android or iOS device with Bluetooth enabled, the Sensi app installed, Wi-Fi network name and password, your email address, and a medium-tip Phillips screwdriver. You may also need a drill and 3/16 bit to mount the thermostat base to the wall. To download the app, search Sensi in your phone's app store. Open the Sensi app on your device and follow the prompts to create an account. Once your account has been created, select the plus sign to add a new thermostat. Select Touch 2 Smart Thermostat. Then select New Installation if your thermostat still needs to be installed. If your thermostat is already installed and you just need to connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi, select Connect to Wi-Fi. Select the appropriate path and follow the step-by-step instructions. After selecting New Installation, you will need to turn off the power to your heating and air conditioning system from the breaker box or the switch next to the furnace before handling your thermostat wires. Next, remove your existing thermostat cover. With the thermostat base and wires visible, take a photo of the existing wire configuration. If you see a jumper wire, remove it. Your new thermostat has the jumper built in. Do not remove any other existing wires at this step. On the base of your existing thermostat, you'll notice that each wire corresponds with a letter. Record the existing wires by selecting the corresponding letter for each wire in the Sensi mobile app. When you're finished, the app should display you have selected a valid configuration. If it doesn't, you likely need a common wire or C wire, which is required to power the Sensi Touch 2. Check out our C-wire installation videos found at sensi.emerson.com/C-wire. Next, you'll be asked to identify your furnace type. Select either gas, electric, or boiler/radiant. You're ready to label your wires using the provided wire label stickers. Once all of the wires have been labeled, you can disconnect the wires and remove your old thermostat base from the wall. Mount your new Sensi Touch 2 thermostat base to the wall using the screws and anchors provided and the built-in bubble level to ensure that it's straight. Connect the wires by matching each labeled wire to the corresponding EasyClick terminal. Snap the thermostat cover onto the base. Turn the power to your system back on. Now that your new Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat is installed, you need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow the step-by-step in-app instructions to connect your thermostat to Wi-Fi. Be sure Bluetooth is turned on. On the thermostat, tap Menu, then Wi-Fi, then Connect. When prompted in the Sensi app, scan the QR code displayed on your Sensi Touch 2 screen to connect through Bluetooth technology. This may require Bluetooth permissions on your phone. If you have trouble scanning the QR code, tap Display PIN on your thermostat. Manually enter the PIN in the Sensi app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password as prompted. Finally, you will be prompted to name and register your thermostat. If you encounter any issues, we have several support articles specific to any error messages that will help you find a solution. Now that your Sensi is installed, you'll be able to enjoy easy and convenient control of your home comfort using your Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat. Wondering where to begin? Here are a few recommendations to get you started. Service reminders are a great way to keep your HVAC system running its best. Use service reminders in the Settings menu to create a reminder from a list of options, including an air filter reminder. Changing your air filter every 3 months keeps your air clean and your system running efficiently. Scheduling can help you save energy by running your heating or cooling system less often when you're not at home. From the thermostat control screen, tap the Schedule icon to set a programmed schedule. To create or edit a schedule, select Edit Schedule. You can also turn on the geofencing feature, which uses your location to help save energy while you're away. For greater control and comfort, the Sensi Touch 2 smart thermostat may be paired with up to 15 Sensi room sensors to monitor room temperature and humidity. Sensi room sensors are sold separately. The Sensi Touch 2 smart thermostat integrates with many smart home platforms. Select Smart Integrations in your account settings to get started, including Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. You can check your current and past system usage in the app. Just go to Usage on the thermostat control screen. Still need some help? Our highly trained Sensi support team is available 7 days a week to help you connect to comfort.